Are you looking for a compact and powerful tool to simplify your development process? Have you been searching for a device that combines sensors, connectivity, and processing in the same tiny solution? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then the SensorTile.box PRO is the device for you. With the SensorTile.box PRO, you can sense and track all sorts of data. It's like having superpowers at your fingertips. So I brought the board with me. This is what you get when you order your board. Let's open it and see what's inside.
I really like the product. It's small, you can use it out of box. Is it already available?
Yes, well, the board is already available. It costs around 100 euros, and you can get in touch with EVV or ST to get yours.